I'm standing at the side of the New Hope Church Cemetery. This is Civil War history. This area is known as the Hell Hole. And this is Atlanta Campaign Heritage Trail, a historic driving route. The Battle of New Hope Church is nearby. There's the old New Hope Church at this intersection, and there's the newer New Hope Church. And I'm in New Hope, Georgia, an area of Dallas, Georgia. I live right down that street, maybe 1 mile. In April of 1977, April 4th to be exact, Southern Airways Flight 242 crashed near this intersection in terrible weather. It was flying from Alabama to Georgia, Huntsville, Alabama, to Atlanta, Hartsfield. On a Monday around 4 p.m., again, April 4th, 1977, it crashed because of bad weather. This is the list of the fatalities. This is the memorial that was built in their honor. So roughly there were about 70 fatalities, 20 survivors roughly about, and 9 people on the ground that lived here in this community were killed. Also listed are the survivors, 2 of them of which were flight attendants who lived to tell the story of Flight 242. On April 4th, 1977, a DC-9 Southern Airways Flight 242 flying from Huntsville, Alabama to Atlanta encountered a dangerous thunderstorm over Rome, Georgia. The hail and rain the aircraft endured was so severe that both engines flamed out and the aircraft quickly lost altitude. The flight crew desperately attempted to land the DC-9 on Georgia 92 Spur, now known as Georgia 381, which runs through the community of New Hope. The result was the worst aircraft disaster in Georgia history, claiming 72 lives, including 9 local residents of New Hope. Miraculously, 22 passengers survived. The American flag flying high. the Confederate flag flying high. And always remember, God loves you.